TruckerBot.
Your AI-powered assistant built to simplify your life on the road. This is our new app. Let us walk through a quick demo, starting with the 3 plan options. You can get started by clicking on Start Your Free Trial. You have your basic trucker, which is $29.99 a month, and you can see the options that are included. You have the professional driver, which is $59.99 a month. And then you have your fleet manager, which is $199 a month. And that is up to 4 drivers. Let's log in and give you a quick demo of this AI Smart app. AI Assistant, the Document Manager, the Advanced Reports, Load Calculator, Email Assistant, Scheduler, Contact Manager, and the Account Integration. This is where you want to insert your profile information, your name, email address, company name, phone number, DOT number, MC number. These are all general information. With the TruckerBot, you have your own bookkeeper who will keep all your financial information stored safely until you're ready to send it to your accountant. And once it's sent to your accountant, it will be sent to the email address that you provide us. This way, your accountant can do your taxes based on the information that you've provided over the year. You don't have to keep all those receipts in your cab. You don't have to find them and hustle for them at the end of the year. You can do all of that stuff in real time. You can track your receipts real time. You can track your revenue real time and all the other expenses real time, and save it in a TruckerBot until it's time to be sent to your account. And the tools you'll find where you can manage your billing and upgrade after you create your account. Let's start with the AI assistant. AI is here. TruckerBot is meant to be your own AI assistant that can help you manage your trucking business on the go. The AI assistant is designed to make your life easier. It's just meant to do calculations for you, help you with recording receipts. It'll draft the email for you, and it also give you a weekly profit. Let's just give it a click. These are the quick buttons. Your weekly profit summary is as follows. Your total revenue, you have your expenses, your fuel costs, and there's your net profit. These will be based on the numbers that you insert into the system, and it'll calculate this for you on a weekly basis if you want it to. You can also have it calculate the load profitability. If you see a load on a load board and you want to find out if it's a profitable load, this calculator is there for you. Let's just say we're going Newark to New York. And let's just say that's 250 miles. It's probably 150. Let's just say 150 miles. And they're paying $225 a mile. And fuel costs would be $150. But it'll tell you if that's a good load or not. It'll break it down based on your operating costs. And your operating cost is calculated with truck payments, insurance, maintenance, and other things added into a percentage per mile. As you can see, your net profit will only be $7.50. So the AI is telling you might want to negotiate a better rate. Let's draft an email. And it says, please provide the recipient, purpose, and key points you want to include in the email. Let's say I'm sending an email to John Wick about the rate confirmation, and let them know load number 45673 with a rate of What did we say? $2.25 a mile? Is not a good load for me. Let them know I can do this load for $3.25 per mile. And say, please let me know. And the AI assistant will create an email for you based on that information. Says, Dear Jar and Wick, I hope this message is finding you well. I would like to discuss the rate confirmation for load number. I appreciate the offer of $2.25. However, I believe this rate does not meet my requirements for this load. I can execute this load at a rate of $3.25. Please let me know if this adjustable rate is acceptable. And then it's going to create this as a draft. You go into your email assistant and you look in the sent folder for the drafts. And here it is. It's this one. As you can see, I've been playing around, and we have a few of them in here. This is the one that we're doing, and you basically would just put your name in, then your contact information. And phone number 888-234. And then you can save it. You can also compose emails, select a recipient, and this goes back to your contact manager. First, let's go back to the AI assistant before we go there. AI assistant, you can speak to it. I would like to find out my gotta speak fast. I would like to find out my weekly profit. And as you can see, it answered the question. And again, on your phone, you can take a receipt photo and it'll save it to your bookkeeping files. These are voice receipts, so voice expenses. Let's say record fuel expenses for Love's on June 1st for $350. And it successfully recorded it. It will go into your bookkeeping. And there it goes. And you can edit this. And it'll update it. Now, these expenses are automatically put in as miscellaneous expenses. Your accountant can find them. 531.61, here it is. Category. So when you're at the truck stop or resting, you can go in and make sure you put these in the right categories. As soon as a miscellaneous expense, you just have to put other. But as you can see in a description, it'll say fuel. So your accountant will know where to put it. And see, it says fuel. You can also do it manually. You can add your expenses from your receipts. You can put the gas station, the city. You could put like the gas station here. So for instance, let's say June 1st, I did 150 gallons. Price per gallon, $3.36. And it automatically created the cost for you. I was in Newark. ENJ odometer 234.432. And it's Love's gas station. loves truck stop. And you can add the fuel costs, and it's added. And this will go into your summary. As you can see, your expenses. You can go weekly. We have no revenue, so let's put some revenue in there. Let's say load number, broker. Let's go express, amount 560, date 31st. Factoring company. A lot of people use factoring company. And this is the load, Newark to New York. The additional notes, if you want to include it in there to help you be able to track it, you can add it, and there it goes. If you do this on a regular basis, when it comes tax time, your accountant will not have to worry about putting your taxes together for you. All of this is done for you, and you could just press the button to have it sent to your account. As you can see, added a revenue, 1250, financial summary, custom date. You could put in a date, say the 1st. And it'll give you a picture of your net income for that particular period. Now you go here, list all your expenses. I'll let you know that you're operating at a profit or a loss. And it breaks down your expenses. You got your fixed cost, of course, your maintenance, fuel, miscellaneous, factory, and also predictive maintenance alerts. Let you know about your air filters, oil changes based on when you previously changed or made the expense for it. Transmission service. This is the financial summary. And when you press this button to send it to your accountant, you can also export it as a CSV file. It'll download it, and you can send that to your accountant if you want to also. When you press this button, it'll automatically do it for you based on the information that you put in there. You don't have to worry about sending him the data. And this is what it looks like. You have the driver financial data. This goes to your account. The period, revenue, the net income. And that'll give him a description of your expenses. So he knows this is gas. He can add up all the gas expenses. Transportation is a fuel and gas. And you can have other expenses like you got lodging, Motel 6, meals, office supplies. You see that. And you can also save this information so that you can have the receipts for him. That's a little bit about the bookkeeping portion. You have the document uploads. You can upload all your documents. Just press the upload button. You could take a picture of it on your phone or your documents, and you can upload it. Supports pictures and PDF. If you have an iPhone, you can use your note section to scan it, and it'll automatically turn it into a PDF, and you can upload it and save it into your TruckerBot. Your scheduler, you can add an appointment, and it'll put it on your Google Calendar. When you press add to Google Calendar, it'll take you to Google to save it to your own personal calendar. So that way you can have alerts. Again, this is the load calculator. if you wanted to do it manually. You could put in a driver pay, toll costs, and it'll tell you if it's a good load or not. Tell you if it's profitable or not profitable. You can add your mileage in. This is good for if the taxes, or if you're doing interstate travel, you have to report how many miles you traveled to your taxing authority, and they would ask how many miles. You can track those miles here. All you have to do at the end of the year, you can look at it and pick the time frame you want it to have, and it'll let you know how many miles you travel. When you enter that information here, it saves it for you. Put your vehicle in there, mileage at that particular time. You could put that in there as your notes. And this is your contact manager, where you can add brokers, shippers. You can add their contact information. So if you wanted to send them an email, that will be done through the email assistant, and see how it is. And you can have templates. So you have a rate confirmation template. You have a delivery. So you can create a new template, a delivery confirmation. You could say the load was delivered. Load number was delivered. And you can generate the draft with the AI. You don't even have to come up with the words. Your AI would do it. You could put in your name, John Doe, your position, owner, operator, your company, keep moving, and contact information, test@user.com, and put a phone number in. Make sure it's the right numbers, 1, 2, 3 or more. Okay, you can save that template. Every time you wanted to send an email, you can compose it, and you can use that template, and you could put their name in, and then you could press send their email, and it'll automatically send it. It'll send it. The TruckerBot has its own email address, so it'll come from the TruckerBot. It's just a Gmail, and it'll send it to them. And there's no reason to reply to it, so it's automatic to tell them to reply to the driver, to you, and that's why you want to enter your information. They'll know who to reply to. But that's the professional plan. We tried to make things simple. The AI assistant is really designed just for that. We hope you love it. We hope you find it convenient. It was really built by truckers for truckers. Smarter bookkeeping, easier scheduling, a real useful app. We think that you'll get the most benefit out of it, and help you find those areas in your operations to help make things easier and help you increase those profits. That's what it's all about. Go ahead today and let the AI do all the heavy lifting for you. It's a simple app. You don't have to be really good with technology. As long as you can click a button and type in some information, you'll be good. And I know all you guys out there and ladies out there know how to do those things. So it's real easy for you. Have a good day. We look forward to serving you in the future. Thanks.